The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for Harris County in west central Georgia, southern Meriwether County in west central Georgia, northern Muskogee County in west central Georgia, northern Talbot County in west central Georgia, southeastern Troup County in west central Georgia, Upson County in west central Georgia, until 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Friday. At 12:53 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar and automated gauges. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Columbus, Thomaston, Hamilton, Talbotton, Manchester, Pine Mountain, Woodbury, Waverly Hall, Warm Springs, Woodland, Yadisville, Sunset Village, Lincoln Park, Bib City, The Rock, Shiloh, Flint Hill, FD, Roosevelt State Park, Bogville, and Durand. Turn around. Do not drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Due to the threat of severe weather, NOAA radio station WXG-31 has interrupted its normal weather programming. We will resume normal broadcasting once the threat has passed.